Hey friends, if you wish to fix the situation when a Windows 11 microphone is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So before anything else, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound. Now microphone comes under the input category. There would be two of them. The first one would be associated with the laptop itself if you're using a laptop, and the other one would be a dedicated microphone. When you're using it, you will notice this bar moving. So click on this, scroll down and click on start test. Check and then click on stop test. Check the volume level. Okay, try to increase it if possible if there is a switch on your microphone. This is the first thing. Now, also audio enhancement. And once this part is done, you can also consider updating the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update the microphone drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.